In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new project in ClickUp. Creating a new project in ClickUp is quite simple. Just follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and create a new space from which you'll create a new project. For my case, I already have these two spaces, Teams and Reports space. If you want to create a new space, you can just go ahead and click on this plus to add a new space. Now, once you have created your space, identify the space under which you want to create your new project. And for my case, I want to create a new project under report space. Hover over this plus and then click on it. From here, click on list. Go ahead and give your project a name. Then you can also give it a description. And here you can also select or change the space location that you want to choose. So if you highlight here, you will see all the space that you have. You can choose the one you want. For my case, I want to leave it to report space, and then go ahead and decide whether you want to make this project private or public. By default, it is set to public. If you go ahead and toggle this, it will be set to private. Now, before you finalize and create your project, decide on whether you want to use a template. You can also use a template by choosing one from here if you click on use templates. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on create. And this will go ahead and create a new space. From this, you can now suggest if you wish to add any of this. So you can choose from the list here, or if you don't want, just go ahead and click on no thanks. And that is it. You can now begin adding channels. You can add lists and boards, and you can start organizing your fields as you wish on your project. So that's how you can create a new project in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.